Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey guys, good to see you again. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. Thank you for joining us today.
Yes, we always feel happy when you come back to learn English with us.
And if you enjoy this lesson, you can like the video anytime. It helps a lot.
Today's topic is super useful. How to talk about your daily routine in English.
Yes, everyday English for everyday life. So, Jack, how are you today?
I'm okay. A little tired.
Why tired?
Because my alarm didn't ring. My alarm betrayed me.
Betrayed you?
Yes, I woke up late and I had to rush. I felt so stressed in the morning.
Oh no, a stressful morning is the worst.
Yes, I was running around like a confused chicken.
You, a confused chicken? That's a funny image.
Trust me, it was not funny at the time.
I understand. My morning was better. I woke up early, made tea, and I tried to be productive.
Nice. That sounds peaceful.
Yes, but then my cat started crying for food.
Ah, so your cat is the boss.
Yes, my cat controls my life.
If you guys at home are enjoying this talk, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
Yes, please. Okay, Jack, ready to move into the main topic?
Absolutely. Let's talk about daily routines.
So, Jack, can you describe your daily routine?
Sure. My daily routine starts around 6 a.m. I wake up, stretch, and make coffee.
Every morning?
Yes, coffee is my life.
Same.
Then I check my emails because sometimes my colleagues send important messages.
True.
After that, I start work at 9 a.m. I work from home, so I don't have a long commute.
Lucky. My commute is about 40 minutes. Sometimes it feels longer when the traffic is frustrating.
Oh yes, traffic can destroy your mood.
Exactly. When I reach my office, I check my schedule, say hello to my colleagues, and start working.
Sounds like a busy morning.
It is. What about lunch?
I usually eat lunch around 1 p.m. After lunch, I sometimes feel the afternoon slump.
Oh, the sleepy feeling.
Yes, my brain becomes slow like a lazy turtle.
I know that feeling very well.
In the evening, I relax, cook dinner, and watch a show.
Same here. Daily routines help us stay organized.
And they help English learners speak about their real life.
Exactly. Now let's explain some vocabulary we used. Let's review some useful higher-level words and more vocabulary from today.
Good idea. Let's start with commute.
Commute means traveling from home to work or school. Example, my commute is 40 minutes.
Nice. Next is deadline.
A deadline is the time when you must finish something. I have a deadline today.
Great. Another word is colleagues.
Colleagues are the people you work with. Example, I talk to my colleagues every morning.
Next, productive.
Productive means you do many things or use your time well. Example, my morning was productive. Good. What about frustrating? Frustrating means something that makes you upset or annoyed. Example, the traffic was frustrating. Yes. And afternoon slump. Afternoon slump means feeling tired or slow in the afternoon. Example, I always get an afternoon slump at 3 p.m.
Now, the last one is schedule.
Schedule means your plan for the day. Example, I check my schedule every morning.
Great explanations, Emma.
So let's quickly recap.
Today, we talked about daily routines, morning, work, and evening habits.
We shared our real routines and some funny moments too.
And we learned useful vocabulary like commute, deadline, colleagues, productive, frustrating, afternoon slump, and schedule.
These words help you talk about your real life in English.
Yes, and they make your speaking more natural.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Yes. Today's question is, what is your daily routine?
Tell us what time you wake up, what you do in the morning, and how you end your day.
And try to use at least 2 words from today's vocabulary.
We will read your answers. Thank you so much for watching.
We're always happy to learn with you.
Keep practicing. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
If you like this lesson, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.